We back at it, another video with the Pull Up King. Today we're working on a 2015 Chevy CRUZ. This thing got a P0 or P1101. Let me show you what it's doing. Got 68,000 miles on this thing. See, it's jerking right now. You can hear it. Alright, so this is what I found out. I heard some hissing noise. That PCV valve right there is what you need to replace, and it's not replaceable. You got to replace the whole valve cover. So we got our brand new valve cover, and it comes with a gasket. And you can see that's the new PCV valve, and that thing is not going to make noise when we hook this thing up. So got a new gasket for that O-ring. Gasket maker. Alright, man, let's get it. This is a pretty straightforward job. The valve cover is accessible. As you can see, it's not too much that you got to work with. Just get all of the wire harness away from the around the cover. Disconnect that there. We got to get that. Get the coils. That's the coil right there. Coil pack set up. It's different. It's a whole unit. But as you can see, it's been leaking oil pretty bad for a while, and it just gave out. It's over with. So I'm just releasing these from these tabs here. Boom. That there. Just pry those back. Got another one here. Pry that back. And get this tube out. Got to get a flathead. Get right up in there and pull that clip out. Get that off. Be careful, we got this little plastic hose. These things get brittle and they can break. Don't feel like replacing those. Looking for new parts, man. Yeah, so that little tubing right there, just beware of that. I'll remove that. Come out of those spots there, and we're coming around here. Probably just gonna have to remove this, that clip back, and pull that out. See what else we got. It's gonna be a T30 probably, and they were T30. Flathead, pry these up, coil packs, all that oil. Now I ain't gonna lie, I couldn't figure out how to get that. I tried to put something in between there and move it around, couldn't figure it out, but I just pulled up on it and it snapped. And we're gonna work it like that, man, when it go back on. Now, as you can see, we got external bolts. These are an E8, I do believe, and we're gonna get all of those from around it. You can also use an 8mm bolt. So that's what I'm using. All right, we got them all undone. Now we're gonna take like a flathead and get up under here and just separate it. Under there, take that dick stick out. Alright, and that thing just popped right up, no problem. Now would be a good time to check your internal components, cam shafts. Make sure everything is good. You don't want to put this back together and have a problem and you overlook it. And that is the old cover in its gasket. You can see where they put sealant right at that point. I'm going to put it on this side as well. That's basically this point and that point. You always want to put it there. Everywhere else is fine, held in by the gasket. It won't leak any oil, but those areas are prone to leaking because they are, you can see, that's where the engine separates right there, and it's sealed off, so they can leak. So next, what we want to do, we want to get a rag, wipe the surface clean, get that gasket sealing off, scrape it off with a razor, and we can go in with the cover after that. Got it all cleaned up. The gasket sealant is removed. We're gonna go ahead and put some more on there. All right, we in there like swimwear. Now we can go ahead and install our new one. I want to make sure we gotta install this gasket first. All right, so it says here, inspect and replace the O-ring on the oil cap when installing the valve cover. So that's what's gonna have to happen with that O-ring. All right, set that down in there. And this little piece here, I removed it. Just spread these open. This tab here, that tab here, look like that one broke, damn near. And those clips hold it on. All right, this piece here, we just twist it off, and that is the gasket that we need to replace right there. Let's get up under there with a flathead. Brand new installed. So I had to release these clips and let that come up so I can spin it and twist it on. So there is a sequence that you put this in, tighten it down, but if you don't know it, you can always start from the middle out. All right, we got that tightened down. Now we're ready to put the coil pack back in. Clean it up. Yeah, I saw that one that was sticking up. I got that one, don't worry. And we back in. Gonna start it up, and that noise should be gone. No more hissing. And this thing should act right. It should idle smoothly. A lot better. Whole lot better. Whole lot better. Let it idle down. So that's when it starts bucking. If it starts bucking, we still got a problem. Alright. I'm satisfied. I'm sure my customer gonna be satisfied as well. No more air hissing. Don't forget to like the video if you do like it, man. It helps with the video content and me getting up in the algorithm. I really appreciate it. All right, as you can see, that did the trick. I hope the video helped out for anybody that's looking to get this P1101 code to, you know, go away. Now my client, he's good to go, man. Till next time, the Pull Up King.